Hi, let's talk about eyebrows and the way that they frame your face. So I've got one done and one that isn't done, and you'll notice that the one that isn't done is quite sparse, it's quite light, and it really has the effect of aging me, I feel, because back in the day, when us ladies of a certain age were younger, we used to pluck our eyebrows a lot. And what happens is when you overpluck them, they don't grow back. And this is what's happened with mine. So what I tend to do now is I draw them on, because eyebrows, like everything else, go in trends and fashion. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I've got both my eyebrows on, and you'll see the difference. I'm quite expressive with my eyebrows. I tend to move them up and down a lot when I talk. And the other thing too, I wear specs, and I like them to show over my glasses. You can see there, it frames my face. I look different on the side with my eyebrow to the one without. So I always like my glasses to follow the shape of my eyebrows. But I'm using a gel product with a slanted brush. I need my magnifying mirror. And basically what I'm doing is I'm drawing underneath. Now you can use powder for this. You can use eyeshadow, you can use a pencil, it doesn't really matter. But the difference it makes, just a little bit of colour, a little bit of definition, can really make a difference. Now the other thing to remember is that your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Very rarely do people have totally symmetrical eyebrows, and there's a trend these days to have them tattooed and then they look over perfect, so they do look really unnatural because they're absolutely symmetrical. So just watch that. There we go. I now have both eyebrows done, and feel much better, feel much more like myself. The way to plot where your eyebrows go is if you get a pencil and you hold the pencil sort of straight up like that, do a little dot there, and then hold it against your nose and across to the corner of your eye and do a dot there. That's where it ends. And if you do it from the nose through the centre of your pupil, and that's the arch. And the other way you can do is you can sort of look across, and that there and there are kind of level. That gives you a good arch shape that will look natural. I hope you find those tips helpful. If you do, follow me on Facebook or on my other social media channels. You'll find me at lisanewportstyle.com. Thanks for watching.